Rainy day. Well, what we're gonna cook today is rainy. There's not much to do today, but guess what? Today we have ramen. This delicious comfort food, originally from Japan, make my rainy day into an awesome day. And I'm gonna show you how to make this absolutely delicious comfort food. Stay tuned. So first thing first, we're gonna make the stock. So we need some type of protein, carrots, bay leaf. We also gonna need peppercorns, black, thyme, yellow onion, garlic peel, and some parsley. Also we're gonna need leeks and celery. So first we're gonna make a sachet. We need a cheesecloth. We're gonna put the thyme, bay leaf, the peppercorns. Make sure they're all there. About 5, 6. The garlic and the parsley. The parsley could also be the stem by itself. Doesn't have to be like I have it. So we're gonna wrap it like this, very tight. And now we're gonna cut this. Chunks is fine. This is how everything looks. We're gonna have the leeks, celery, onions, carrots, and sachet. First thing we want to do is to have a stock pot. We're gonna put the protein. In this case I have chicken cut in quarters, so that's why they look like that. After the stock is done, don't throw away the chicken, we can use it for something else. We're gonna add veggies, so the celery, onions, and the rest, the carrots, all the veggies, just put them in there. All the vegetables, the leeks, and this is how it looks. Don't forget the sachet, just drop it in there too. We're gonna add cold water. You want it to be cold, that way it's in a good start, so it doesn't cook the protein too fast. I want all the flavors to get very, very deep, and we're gonna simmer this for 1 whole hour. We're not taking shortcuts on this. This is the second step. We need tofu, pork, green onions, carrots, and just 1 carrot. So now we have 2 types of ramen. We have Maruchan, which is 1 brand. I think it has a better flavor. And we have, right here, Maruchan. And we have Top Ramen, which I think has a better texture. We also need sesame seeds, black. It's okay if you don't have it. We also have mushroom sauce, that's for the tofu, and we have eggs. You can use organic as well. I just didn't have it. So this is how it looks. Everything chopped up. We're gonna cook the Chinese sausage. You can skip this step if you don't have it, or you can use hot dogs or any other type of sausage that you like. Spicy sausage works well too. Cook on both sides. Now you're gonna cook the pork. Hot pan. This is already cooked. I'm just like browning it. I put that, if it was another meal, I put it in the oven for 350 degrees, season it, and I'm just using leftovers, basically. But you can use any other type of meat. Usually they use pork belly, but look at this. Anyways, this is a review. We need a saucepan. This we're gonna cook the ramen noodles in. So we also need a slight non-stick pan. We also need a small saucepan where I'm already cooking the eggs, and a stock pot. The eggs, I cook it for 3 minutes and close the lid. So now we're gonna cook the the tofu on the saucepan. And I marinate it with the mushroom sauce and the sesame seeds. You can add soy sauce if you want in there too. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cooking the ramen for 3 minutes, only 3. And then you're gonna put the lid on, shut the heat, and wait for another 3 minutes. You don't want it to be mushy. We're going for the presentation, and the first thing we want to do is put the noodles in the bowl. Dry, please. Don't put any of the water that you cook it on it. If you need to strain it, strain it. I'm just using my tongs. Why? You see how it looks? They're all separated. They're all really, really nice. So noodles first. Then we're gonna put the tofu. You can add spicy sauce to the tofu if you like. Green onions. If you have cilantro, you can substitute it with cilantro or add cilantro also. Carrots. Pork. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The egg that we cooked, peeled and cut in half. And the broth that we made earlier, that we simmer for 1 hour. Such a good thing. Such a comfort food. Also, we're gonna decorate with the sausage. They're a little sweet, so I like them. And black sesame seeds. My friends, I present to you my version of ramen noodle. Please share. And if you're not part of this community, subscribe. We share recipes, techniques, and good culinary information. Okay, bye-bye.